Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to generate realistic AI images by using Flux absolutely free online. So let's get started. So for this, just Google Black Forest Labs Hugging Face. You'll be getting the Black Forest Labs link at the first one. Click that, and here if you scroll down we'll be having spaces. Here we are having Hugging Face Flux for dev as well as the Chanel model. So you can just open it in a new tabs, and basically here you can enter your prompt, and here you'll be having the advanced settings where you can configure the height, width, the inference step and the seed. Exactly same here also. Basically here you can type a prompt and you'll be getting an output. So I'll go with this prompt. Yeah, here you can see I'll be getting this. If you want to download it, you can just download it. And this thing is not absolutely free because this is running on Hugging Face GPU, so it has a limit, and once the limit has been exceeded you cannot generate images and it gets refreshed the next day. So still you can generate images like this every single day by using these spaces. And in case if you want to read more about these models, you can just Google Black Forest Labs and click the first link. So this is the parent company of Flux, the company that created Flux. If you scroll down over here, they're having the Flux dev Flux channel. So these are some of the places you can try these models out, and here you'll be having the Hugging Face. So this basically has all the files and stuff available. In case if you want to run it locally, you can also follow these instructions over here because this model is absolutely free. And the second way how you can generate Flux images online is just Google Leonardo AI. You'll be getting the first link as Leonardo AI image generator. Select that and just click on launch app, and here make sure that you are signing in with your email account, and to the left you'll be having image generation. Click that, and every day we will be getting around 150 credits. So if I click over here, as you can see 150 tokens, and this resets every day. So now again image generation, here you will be having that model. If you click it, as you can see here I'm having Flux dev and Flux Chanel. So if I click that Flux Chanel model consumes 4 tokens for 4 image outputs. So let me just go with the prompt and run it. So this is the output that I get from Flux Chanel, and it has costed us 10 tokens, and now you can see 150 minus 10 I'm having 140 tokens. And here you can also select the dimension. If you want 16:9, 2:3, 1:1, you even having the aspect ratio, you can just change it over here. And in case if you want the Flux dev model, just select it. That costs around 39 tokens for exact the same number of images. So if I just now run, we'll be only having 101 tokens over here. So basically you can use around 3 Flux dev prompts in this every single day, and it just resets the next day. And in case if you really like using this Leonardo AI, you can just upgrade it to their monthly plan. Just cost $12 per month. You can just pay and you can use it. But even though it's free trial, you can generate up to 150 tokens, so that's up to you. Maybe you can try using the Flux Chanel model because it consumes very less tokens. So that's the video guys. I hope you would have found it useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I run a lot of videos in Sora, ChatGPT and other AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.